Hello everyone, this is Prasoon sir, the chemistry teacher. So बड़े दिन से एक बात आ रही है. For many days I'm just getting some requests कि आईसीएसई बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम सामने आ रहे हैं सर, एक सजेशन जैसा बना दो ताकि काम करने में कुछ सुविधा हो. तो मैं 3 चरणों में इसको निकलने वाला हूँ. कोई अगर इसको फॉलो करेगा तो यकीनन उसको 75 से भी ऊपर नंबर आने का एक चांस है आउट ऑफ 80. अभी भी टाइम है, अभी भी आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. तो इसके बाद ये तो मैं वीडियो से पहले हल्का इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहा हूँ, तो इसके बाद में मेरा वो वीडियो मैं दे रहा हूँ जो मैं क्लास में दिया था, इसके साथ मैं अटैच करूँगा. तो पहला वाला वीडियो है जिसमें ये बोला गया है कि कैसे कैसे करना, क्या करना, हल्का एक ब्रश अप किया है. अगला वीडियो में मैं ये बताने वाला हूँ कि क्या क्या टॉपिक से क्या क्या पार्ट को पढ़ेंगे, मतलब चुनिंदा टॉपिक्स के कुछ नाम बताएंगे. और उसका थर्ड वाला जो देंगे दैट इज़ अ टोटल सजेशन. उन टॉपिक्स को अगर आप बना के जाओगे तो यकीनन आपका नंबर बहुत अच्छा आएंगे और तैयारी भी ठीक से बनेगी. तो मेरा ख्याल से आपने तो सिलेबस पूरे पढ़ ही लिए होंगे. तो देखिए इन वीडियोस को और कमेंट में बताइए और आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें ज़रूरी है, आप क्या क्या चाहते हैं, अकॉर्डिंगली हम देने की पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. सो let's come to the video and see how the things happen, and till then I say all the best for the exam. Good afternoon students. I cannot attend the school due to some problem as I have the knee fracture, but I've just designed the nature of the question and some strategies. This is the first video I'm just launching from home. Next video I'll send a pinpoint video regarding the topics which will come in the exam, and that is actually the proper suggestion which will help you to attempt all the question. And if you are studying there, I hope you will get marks between 78 to 80. Now it is not a magic, but it happens. You need to work hard also at the same time. And this is just a chalk out that I've simply made by just going through a research on the various topics of the board syllabus. And this is according to the suggestion. This is according to the sample question of ICSE board. I have taken for the past 6 years and I've just made an analysis, and this is the result of that. Now question paper for this year, since you are appearing in the exam, it is known to you very well that section A is objective, section B is subjective, 15 marks MCQ from anywhere else. Now 5 into 5, 25 marks. Question number 2, first is diagram based, one diagram. There are 3 questions following the diagram, and all the 3 contains 5 marks. You know this. Fill up the blanks with 2 clues are also there in the exam, so it can be attempted. Match the following, again 5. Identify mainly one word, or sometimes it may be something else, but whatever, you may get an equation, you may get a formula also in that. And this is draw, means to draw the structure of the compound, and maybe you are writing the name of the IBC compound, IBC name of the compound. It contains 5 marks. So this is actually based on the objective part. Now coming to the subjective part, just to brush you up, you need to answer only 4 out of 6. Question 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the subjective questions, 10 marks each. Breakage I have also written down subparts, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. So each question is having 10 marks, and there is no fixed chapter combination. That means things can be mixed up. So don't expect that this will come from this chapter, this will from this chapter. No, they can be mixed up. Now what are the questions that are expected? Now see, subjective. Now this subpart, if you see 2 and 3, you may get 2. You may also get some 1 mark in that. These will be true, false. These will be definitions. These may be examples or identification in either 2 or 3 in this. So this is the basic setup of the question. You have also answered this in the pre-board and in the half yearly, so you are very much acquainted to it. Now coming to the marks division as observed for the last couple of years. First is periodic property, it comes with 7 marks. So this will help you to prioritize your studies according to the marks and prepare them accordingly. Now number 2 is chemical bonding, 8 marks. You can understand by the weightage, very tough chapter and also very important. Third is the acids and the bases, maximum 10 marks. Analytical chemistry, 3 mark. Mole concept and stoichiometry, the chapter of mathematics in chemistry, it is, and chemical arithmetic, it is 10 marks. Electrolysis, 7 marks. In this, no, nothing fancy is there, just you need to memorize the thing and deliver accordingly. So is the case with metallurgy, having 6 marks. Now study of the compounds, these are the 4 compounds. Repeatedly I used to say in the class, 16 marks. You need to memorize the things as usual to get the thing on the proper track, because no understanding is here. Just memorizing will get the thing done. So I hope you must have done that. Now organic chemistry, you are having 13 marks. Now these can be write down the IUPAC name, or these questions can be draw the structures. Again, some cyclic structure like benzene, some questions related to that, some chemical equations, if and but, then what happens when these type of questions may come. Now these are some of the frequently asked topics from which some questions are there. These are the skeleton of those questions which I have jotted down from the past 10 years as the trend of the board exam. So these type of questions seems to be very important. Now periodic properties, what to do? For example, you are just asked to write down the property of any element in the group and arrange them in greater than or lesser than order. That means increasing, decreasing order with respect to some properties and all these things. Now you need to draw the electron dot diagram. This part already I have said, one atom should be dot, the other should be cross. It is the Lewis dot diagram, very important. IUPAC name and structure of the organic compound. Expanded and compressed both have been covered in the classes in very well conditions, and these should be done also. Now mole concept, mainly if you see empirical formula and all, these part you may get a 3-mark numerical, but I'll also suggest that if you are studying the book like concise, there are some concise chemistry, you'll also find in those books there are some numericals with water of crystallization. Please go through them because they can be in the exam. So whatever, this is an important topic, and this is simply relation based on base numerical, some simple formula numerical. Maybe a chemical equation is given and you just need to find out. For example, for the given equation or for the given reaction, please check whether it follows the law of conservation of mass, like this, whatever. So these things can be done. Electrolysis, nothing can be prescribed as a whole because things need to be memorized, and study of compounds, each and everything. You are not leaving a single topic. I repeat, don't dare to do these things with these three. There is electrolysis, metallurgy, and these compounds. Don't dare to leave anything as prescribed in the syllabus. Now 7th is analytical chemistry, the chapter, 3 marks chapter. Now chemical reactions, you need to memorize accordingly. Colors of the precipitate with NaOH and NH4OH that you need to do, and the practical, the identification part. For example, two substances are there which can be acidic, which can be base something. These must be done. Now last but not the least, I am also making another thing in which the deleted parts will be mentioned, and also where to focus in which way, so that your answers can be more concise, as well as in the same time it should be very much descriptive as per the requirement. I hope this will help you out. So tomorrow maybe you are getting a video regarding the deleted parts, how to leave them, and regarding those parts, where to focus, how to focus, or in which way to focus. So I'm ending this video, wishing you all the best for your exam, and for any doubts you can always contact me. So just having goodbye. So we meet in the next video. Thank you.